Welcome. See, this one is an important sum of kinematics. See that this a body falling freely from a given height h. Suppose it is falling from A and this height is h. Hits an inclined plane in its path at a height h. Let us assume it hits the inclined plane at this point, which is at a height from the ground is small h. As a result of this impact, the direction of the velocity of the body becomes horizontal. For one value of h by h, the body will take maximum time to reach the ground. This is an Iit question. Now see, for this part AC equals to h minus h, because this is h, this is small h, so this part is h minus h. So what we can write, h minus h equals to, since it is falling freely from a given height, so I will say m is 0, half g, let us assume time taken is t. So h minus h equals to half g t1 square. From here, what we can get, t1 equals to two by g h minus h whole of root this. Now, when the body reaches here, due to the impact, what happens? Its velocity is completely in the horizontal direction. What it means? That means its vertical velocity will become 0. Ultimately, the body will reach ground in this way. So now it is falling down. The downward direction it is falling small h, and in this direction its velocity is 0. So how it is falling h? Then we will say h equals to half g t2 square. From here we will say t2 equals to 2h by g. Getting it? Here it is falling downwards only due to its vertical motion, where the vertical velocity is 0 because its total velocity is converted in the horizontal direction. This is the important aspect of this sum. This part you have to understand. Now, so total time taken t, we are saying t equals to t1 plus t2. This is the total time taken. Or t equals to, what is t1? Is this one, root of 2 by g into root of h minus h, plus t2 is root of 2 by g into root h. So this is t. Now it requires maximum time. For maximum time we are knowing dt dh will be 0. So what is dt dh? So this one we can take root of 2 by g common. Then what remains? Root of h minus h plus root h. So dt dh will be root 2 by g common into root, if it is 1 by 2 root h minus h into derivative of h minus h. Capital H is a constant, so it will be minus 1 plus root h is 1 by 2 root h. Now if we are saying dt dh equals to 0, that means what we are getting, that is 1 by 2 root h minus 1 by 2 root h minus h into this one equals to 0. So this one is not 0. So from here we can write, see this one, from here we can easily write that this one equals to this one. From here again we can write 2 we can cut. So root h equals to this one, or small h equals to h minus h, or 2h equals to capital H. So what we have to find? H by capital H equals to 1 by 2. This we have to find. I think I can able to explain, and again you have to give importance to this point. What happened at this point? That the velocity becomes horizontal, means vertical velocity becomes 0. That we have used. Thank you.